Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to create your very first Android app in 15 seconds with your mobile phone. So don't forget to subscribe and please share my video. So the first thing, you must have an IDE installed in your mobile phone. For me, I have one. I'm going to open my IDE. It has opened already. You go down here in Expert. Then you'll find 3 sections. One is for Glide, then the second one is for Eclipse, then the third one is for the sample. So for us, we are going to use Glide, which is the latest Android Studio. Then I'm going to give the name of my app, which is I'm going to call it my first app. Then the second thing, I'm going to give the package name of my app. This I'm going to call it as a Leaf Graphics as my package name. Then I'm going to place the button here, which is create. Then it's now creating my project. So it will take a few seconds my project to be accomplished. We wait. Let us wait. Yeah, okay, so my app has already been created. Then there are 2 sections. Then I'm going to run my app and see how it looks like. Don't forget to subscribe. Please share my video so that I continue creating more apps using your Android phone. So our app is now running. Let's sign up. Then there's down here install. I'm going to install my app. My first app has been created. Then I'm going to open. Wow, my app is now running properly. Thank you for watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe and share my video. Thank you.